Are you looking for a quick and easy way to win at chess? Then you need to learn the incredible Fool's Mate opening that can help you achieve checkmate in just 2 moves. In this video we'll show you how to master this powerful tactic and win games fast. Before we start, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more chess content like this. The Fool's Mate is a 2-move checkmate tactic that involves black delivering a checkmate in just 2 moves. It is reached after the moves f3 or f4, e5, g4, queen h4. White's king cannot move to a safe square or block the check, making it a quick and devastating loss for white. While it is unusual for white to move the f-pawn and g-pawn on their first 2 moves, it is still a common occurrence among beginners. The Fool's Mate is a 2-move checkmate that can catch your opponent off guard and lead to a quick win. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more chess tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.